Hi, and welcome to Mad for Mondays. I have a special guest who's going to let you know who she is and what she does to make a difference.
Thank you so much, Catherine. So my name is McCarty-O'Kane, and I am a non-fiction book ghostwriter. Now, what that means is that I help people to step up and become change makers by sharing their message with the world through authorship. So I take away the need for people to have to write their own books, and we have really great conversations. I really get to know them, their message, and what it is that they're wanting to share with the world, and then go ahead and write it for them. So it's so much fun, and it really just enables people to fulfill a dream of becoming an author that they may have otherwise thought was not achievable.
Wow, so you really do make a difference by helping get people's messages out there.
Absolutely, yeah. So, and it's so many varied messages as well. I've been fortunate enough to work with business owners, people who have lived through really intense traumas and want to share their experiences to help others avoid similar situations. And it's just been a really incredible process to get to know these people and help them to make a difference in the world.
Well, congratulations. And, you know, if you're out there and you're feeling a little stuck or you'd like to get a message out there, perhaps you're better at speaking your message than writing it, then please contact Roxanne. And Roxanne, how do people get in touch with you?
Yeah, thank you. So the best way to reach me is through my website, which is www.roxannewriter.com.au. You can check out what I offer there and what the process looks like, as well as get in touch with me over email or book a call so we can have a chat about your project. And for those who are a bit curious about what a day in the life of a ghostwriter looks like, you can also follow me on Facebook, and I post regularly there.
Wow, well done, and thank you for making a difference. And I'm wishing everyone a very happy Monday. Thank you.
Thank you.